Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ghost Editor styling for premium blog UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Ghost Editor styling for a premium blog UI, begin by accessing your Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. Click on design to access the theme settings. Select the code injection option to add custom styles. In the site header field, you can incorporate custom CSS styles. Write your CSS code directly in this field to modify the editor's appearance. Consider including styles for fonts, colors, and spacing to enhance the visual appeal. Save your changes to apply the new styles to your Ghost Editor. Next, head to the Membership tab if you're incorporating premium features. Enable the Members feature to allow subscriptions and premium content access. Customize the member onboarding experience with tailored messaging and branding. To further enhance styling, explore the theme files directly via the design section. Use a code editor to access the theme files if your changes require deeper customization. Modify the CSS file for additional styling options beyond what the code injection allows. Test your changes in a preview before publishing to ensure everything appears correctly. Once satisfied, return to the admin panel and check the presentation of the blog posts. Ensure the new styling complements your overall brand identity and user experience. Regularly revisit your styling choices as you add new content to maintain consistency. Encourage user feedback on the styling to identify areas for improvement. With these steps, you can effectively configure Ghost Editor styling for a premium blog UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.